Yes, friends. Now please tell me what is your problems. Screen is shared. Screen is shared or not?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. Cancel, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Now screen is shared.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
In exercise 3.4, which question?
Six.
6. Exercise 3.4, question number 6. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. 90 degree. And O is the midpoint of opposite side to right angle. O is the midpoint. Opposite side to right angles. Explain why O is equidistant from A, B and C. Student, first of all will write given. What is given? ABC is a right angle triangle. Is a right angle triangle.
दो मिनट में आ रहा हूँ, ठीक है?
Triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. And O is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC. Construction. We have to prove that O is a point which is equidistant from A, B and C. हमें इसमें प्रूव करना है कि O एक पॉइंट है जो A, B और C से इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे है. We have to prove that O is a point which is equidistant from point A, B and C. Construction. Join OB and extend into point B such that OD is equal to OB and join OC. Construction. Join OB and extend it to point B such that OD is equal to OB. OD is equal to OB. OD is equal to OB. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Student, please switch on your camera. Switch on your camera.
Sir, हमने switch on किया है, आप large galaxy कर दीजिए.
Yes.
Sir, please show the
Prabhakaran, Prabhakaran, have you any doubt, any problem? Kushi Yadav, Divyansh Rai, any doubt, any problems? Poonam, Angel Dwivedi, Vinamra, any doubt, any problems? Vinamra, where are you sitting? On the bed? Please take a chair and table. Use chair and table. Don't sit on the bed. Student, any doubt, any problem up to here?
No, sir.
Okay, students.
No,
Join OB and extend into point D such that OD is equal to OB. Join AD and CD. Join AD and CD. Join AD and CD. And CD. Join AD and CD. Construction. To prove that. Prove that O is a point which is equidistant from A, B and C. O is a point which is equidistant from point A, B and C. A, B and C. This is equidistant from point A, B and C.
Sir, can you scroll down?
Yeah.
Sir, please scroll down.
Student proof देखिए proof. O is the midpoint of AC given. O is the midpoint of AC given, so that OA is equal to OC. O is the midpoint of AC. So OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC. That is given. OA is equal to OC. Equation first. Now student, OB is equal to OD. Why? Please tell me. OB is equal to OD. Why? Please tell me. OB OD के इक्वल है?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, because O is the midpoint of BD.
Student, O is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC, so OA is equal to OC. Why OB is equal to OD? Please tell me. Why OB is equal to OD?
So because both are right angle triangle
No.
made up on
No.
because it is a parallel, ABCD is a parallel and is bounded each other in pixels.
Now students, I am just asking to you that why OB is equal to OD? Please respond me. Only that answer.
So you want all
Sir, the diagonals like
No. No, no. It is written, students, listen to me. It is written on the screen. स्क्रीन पे लिखा हुआ है, सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है. Y OB is equal to OD. What are you thinking? It is written on the
Sir,
screen.
please plot it down.
Yeah.
Sir, when we join OB and we extended to D such that OB is equal to OB.
Why? By construction.
So who is it the midpoint?
By
Students,
students, listen to me. By construction, we had to take that OB is equal to OD. In construction, OB is equal to OD in construction. By construction. By construction, you have to take OB is equal to OD. OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD. It means a diagonal in which diagonal bisect each other. If in a quadrilateral diagonal bisect each other, that quadrilateral will be parallelogram. Parallelogram. The diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Bisect each other. Bisect each other. Diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other. OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD. Diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other. So quadrilateral ABCD will be. Please tell me. Please tell me.
Parallelogram.
Parallelograms.
is a parallelogram.
Yes. Then quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Students, in a parallelogram, if one angle is of 90 degree, angle B is a 90 degree given.
Angel, बेटा कहना क्यों ब्लॉक किया?
Friends, in a parallelogram, if one angle is of 90 degree, that parallelogram will be A. Please tell me, अगर किसी पैरेललोग्राम में एक एंगल 90 डिग्री होता है तो वो पैरेललोग्राम क्या कहलाता है? रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगल. Now पैरेललोग्राम ABCD, parallelogram ABCD is a rectangle. Is a rectangle. AC is equal to BD. Why? AC BD के equal है. Why? Please tell me that. Why AC is equal to BD?
Because diagonals are equal in
Rectangle. In rectangle, diagonals are equals. AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Diagonals of A rectangles are equal. Diagonals of a rectangle are equal. So AC is equal to BD. Now student, make half of AC as well as half of BD. Half of AC is equal to half of BD. Half of AC means OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. OB. That is your equation 3. Now student observe equation 1, 2 and 3. Your equation first is OA. Suppose OA is 4 cm. Suppose करते हैं, आप suppose कुछ भी कर सकते हो, 4 cm, 3 cm, 10 cm, 15 cm, 20 cm as an example. Suppose we consider OA is equal to 4 cm. If OA is equal to 4 cm, then OC will be OA is equal to OC. If OA is equal to OC is equal to 4 cm. Now student come in equation third. If OA 4 cm, then OB will be
4 centimeter.
4 cm. If OB 4 cm, then from equation second, if OB 4 cm, OD will be
4 centimeter. 4 centimeter.
It
4
means-
centimeter.
student, it means from equation first, second and third, we conclude that OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From equation first, second, third and fourth, we conclude that OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. It means point O. It means point O. This point O is equidistant from point A, point B and point C. Point A, B और C से इक्वल डिस्टेंस के ऊपर है, क्या है? पॉइंट O. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Therefore, point O is equidistant from point A, B and C. A, B and C. And C. Student, any doubt, any problems?
Sir, can you scroll up a little bit?
Yes. Do it.
Just scroll it down.
Student, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination rupees 100, 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? Students, if you have 100 rupees note, 100 rupees 5 notes, the amount will be, please tell me.
500.
500.
Yes. If you have 2000 rupees 8 notes, 2000 rupees 8 notes, the amount will be 8 to 16, 16,000. Right? Interrupt silence. Exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination rupees 100, 50 rupees and 10 rupees. Students, she has 100 rupees notes 2x, 50 रुपीज नोट 3x and 10 रुपीज नोट 5x, ठीक ना। लेट नंबर ऑफ 100 रुपीज नोट्स, लेट नंबर ऑफ 100 रुपीज नोट्स, 100 रुपीज नोट्स, 100 rupees notes, that is your 2x, 2x. Now student, number of 50 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes, that is your 3x. And number of 10 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes will be, please tell me,
5x.
5x. Yes students, students, 100 rupees notes 2x amount will be, please tell me.
So 200x.
200x.
200x. 100 into 2x plus 50 rupees 3x notes, 50 into 3x.
150x rupees.
550x.
10 rupees 5x note, 10 into 5x.
50x.
50x.
Yes. Now student, total amount, total cash amount is your 4 lakh. 4 lakh. 4 lakh. It becomes 100 into 2x. It becomes 200x. 50 into 3x. 150x. And 10 into 5x. 50x. That is your 4 lakh.
400x.
Now students, 200 into 150 plus 50, that is 400x.
The 400x.
400x, that is your
4 lakh.
4 lakh. What is your x?
1000.
1000.
So 1000.
1000. X is equal to 1000. X is equal to 1000. Yes, please tell me that number of 100 rupees notes will be
100,000. 2 into x. 2 into x, which is 2 into 1000.
100 rupees notes. That is your
Sir, 100,000.
2x and 2x. 2x means
2x.
2 into
2 into 1000.
2
2000.
into 1000.
And number of 50 rupee notes.
Sir, 3000. Sir,
50 rupee notes. That is 3x.
The 3000.
3 into 1000.
1000.
3000. And number of 10 rupees notes.
So 5000.
The
Number
5,000.
of 10 rupees notes. That is your
Z.
5x. 5x.
Sir, 5.
5 into
1000.
1000. 5000. Any doubt? Any problem?
5,000. No, sir.
No, sir.
Do it fast.
No, sir.
Do it fast.
No, sir.
Now exercise 2.2. Question number 16. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of ₹100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of ₹25. The total prize money distribution is 3000 rupees. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. Winner competition, that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100. स्टूडेंट जो विनर होगा उसको 100 रुपीज का प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मिलेगा. एंड हु डज नॉट विन गेट्स ए प्राइज ऑफ रुपीज 25. टोटल प्राइज मनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज 3000 rupees and total number of participants is 63. Let number of winner participants, please tell me. Let number of winner participants. Total number of participants are 63. Out of 63, number of winner participants is X. Then number of loser participants will be
63 minus 3.
number of loser participants. That is 63 minus X. 63 minus X. Student, it is written in the question that winner participants win a prize of rupees 100. One participants win a prize of rupees 100. Then number of winner participants are X. Total amount will be
3000.
Students, one winner participants get a prize of rupees 100 and एक winner participants को 100 रुपीज मिलते हैं. और ऐसे हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट कितने हैं? X है. तो अमाउंट goes by winner participants. Please tell me, एक winner participants 100x. Very good. Yes, very good. 100x. Yeah. Students, one loser participants get a prize of rupees 25. Rupees 25. And number of loser participants are 63 minus X. That is 25 breaking 63 minus X. And total amount will be 3000. 3000. Yeah, solve it. 25 into 63. 25 is a 75. 7 carry. 25 is a 150. 150 or 7. 157.
Yes.
Plus 25x is equal to 3000. 100x minus 25x.
75.
3000 minus 1575. 75x. 3000 minus 1575.
1425.
Yeah.
So 1004.
1425.
Yes, sir.
X will be, please tell me. 25 3s are 75, 25 5s are 125, and 25 7s are, that is 3 into 19. X is equal to 90.
So X is equal to 9. So then we will minus
Find the number of winner participants. Therefore, number of winner participants are 19. Number of winner participants.
Is 19.
Participants are 19. Please tell me, have you any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No,
No. Please roll up.
Students, please revise chapter number 1, 2 and 3. If you have any queries, any problems, we will discuss tomorrow.